Well, here's a video I didn't want to make. So last night we're driving home from Bible study and snowing quite bad. Road was 80 kilometers an hour. It was only going about 50 or so, and came to a corner and turned the wheel and nothing happened. Touched the brakes and she just kept going, and so I launched her off a bank, through some trees, crashed, smashed down, fetched up on a great big rock, so she's kind of scuffed. Anyway, here's the video of it. Well, we just put the Bronco off the road. I can't see nothing up there. My. We're only going 50 or so. Holy crap, she went off over a big bank. Broke off a whole bunch of trees here. Holy crapiola. Wow, did we ever make a big road through here? How many trees did we take off? Wow. Well, sir. Holy. Wowzers. Just missed the guardrail. That tire never even hit the ground there, all the way there before she actually hit the ground. On a corner. Wasn't even going that fast. Frig. That is not a good sign. She took off a lot of trees. We'll see what the skid plate did in the front of her. How are we going to get it out here? Obviously called a wrecker, but well, sir, that is not good. We took out a lot of trees. All right. Well, see some damage there. Ouch. Can't see how much damage, but she knocked down a bunch of trees, and this one's laying on it hard. Well, crap. Well, wrecker's on the way. We'll take a look later. It's out on the road. I'm worried about this stump. We cut it off, but it's still solid. There's nothing wrong with the back end, and hopefully I know what we're gonna do to recover it back so that won't stick in the back and cave the back end in. Here's guardrail up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 car lengths off the road. And still snowing. It is slippery. That's why. Look at that. Yep, that's why. A sheet of ice underneath. Didn't even attempt to turn. poop on a stick. She's a ways off the road. That's where she went off, way back there. It was all downhill. But yeah, definitely. Oh, it's afraid she's slippery. Anyhow. That done scuffed her. Broken tire out end or something, because tires will turn in different directions. Nothing's leaking.
I don't know if you want to get all the way up once. It's a little easier to get if you want to stay in. It's a little easier jumping out.
This Rose doing 50 and tapped the brakes, and she just went straight right off there. So this is where she launched. I went down. Ending up way down in there. She ripped up lots of trees. There's the big one she snapped off. Had to rip it out with a wrecker to get out of here. All these trees she broke off. And there's a big rock here, and that's where she fetched up on that rock right there. I think that's what caused all the damage, or a chunk of it. Actually, we knocked that over too. Anyway, so lucky we hit that rock, because if you would have went off that, past that one, that's another 20 feet down. I don't know if you can see 20, 30 feet down there. Yeah, there's a road up there. She was a ways in. I think it hit the ground about, it only went about a vehicle, maybe 2 vehicle lengths once it hit the ground. So I was only going 50, but on slippery roads. There's all this stuff it tore off. Oh, look at that. And if he came straight at that speed, that'd be the exact same. Yeah, she did quite the launch. Piece of bumper, and of course the right inner fender well. Old carpet crap, it tore out again. Anywho, that's the story of baby going off the road. Not in a good way. Well, she got a little scuffed. I think the skid plate took most of the trees down. Perfectly fine on this side. Doors all work, none of the windows are broke, airbags didn't go off. Just peeled her back. Crap. This is apparently all undercarriage, all beat in. Other than a bit of wood hanging off a couple of things, the skid plates covered everything. Even on the other side. Whatever. Inner fender isn't even bent. All exterior stuff. Wow. Washer bottle still full. Control arm bent, tie rod end broke, and axle broke. Fender, and then the body work. All the body work that's needed. Yeah, okay.